Guys, Fergal here from Alba Physiotherapy. Just want to follow up today's session with a little bit of information about knee pain. Knee pain is one of the most common running and walking injuries that we tend to see here at Alba Physiotherapy. The knee itself is a hinge joint, meaning that it tends to move in a singular plane with flexion and extension. There is a slight little bit of rotation within the knee, but it's only very minimal. Because of that, most of the knee injuries, especially with repetition, are most likely as a cause of problems either in the ankle joint or in the hip joint. What we tend to see, if there is quite a large angle with the knee, from the hip joint, then this can lead to excessive stresses building up in the knee joint, whether in the patella or in the actual joint itself, which can be overloaded from the repetition of our running. So what we can look at from there is trying to develop our muscles around our hip to make sure that our alignment is as best as it can be, or as most efficient as possible, and also making sure that our foot stance or our gait cycle make sure that we're in as best of alignment as possible as we're running. Some of the common dysfunctions that we see with running as well is our overstride, which we've looked at previously, but also a high foot inclination. So that means that we're landing with a very high foot on the heel strike. So we come down with a lot of force, and if we're bending too much from the knee, then that tends to overload the different structures in the knee joint. If you're finding that you are getting knee pain from your running or your walking, then it may be as a result of either two of these dysfunctions that may be coming on. So that may just result in trying to land more on the midfoot or more on the front foot than coming down heavier on the heel, or also could just be with regards of improving a little bit more of the alignment around the knee and the hip and the ankle, trying to get that sort of straight line coming from there so that we're not stressing any area too much within the knee. So focus on your walking and running patterns, trying to bring in that heel cycling motion, trying to make sure that you're not landing too heavy on the heel strike or on the landing pattern, and to make sure that we're not stressing too much within the knee joint. So I hope all is going well. Like I said, if there's any problems that you're getting with the running or walking program, feel free to get in touch, and we can try and give you any advice that we can to try and get yourselves going forward from there. Thanks very much, guys. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.